Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Russ Perry Productions. Today I have a 2020 built MG3 and I'm going to be showing you the locations of the identification for the video, which will include the VIN numbers, the car weight and the tyre information. I'll also show you where the colour code should be, but doesn't seem to be on this car. So I'll start first off with the typical VIN number location, which is just over the left hand side or the passenger side of the vehicle, just inside the windscreen there. So that is your first VIN number. If you come over to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle, open up the door fully. Just down here we've got the built dates. This is June 20. Some more of vehicle information including the weights. That's the engine type. It's an MG3. Now from my googling, you can actually, a paint code should go here, but on this model it doesn't seem to be there. We also have our tyre information here, including the pressures and also tyre sizes, bearing in mind that'll be on the original wheels. Just come back again. We also have the vehicle certification, which also has the VIN number as well. Then we come into the boot of the car. Open it up fully and you will also see the VIN number is here. There's nothing inside this door. We're going to use this door to get inside the bonnet, so open that up fully. Just down in the footwell there is a bonnet release lever. Give that a pull and we'll come around to the front of the car. So just above the MG badge there's a lever. Push that to the right and lift your bonnet up, and just over the left hand side there is a bonnet stay, which we're going to put in that hole there, like so. With the bonnet now open, we can look down here. We've actually got the refrigerant type for the air conditioning system and some more information about the car. And then if you look just at the back of the engine bay, we also have another VIN number just there. Bear in mind the VIN number should match in every location. And there we go, that's where the information is on a 2020 MG3. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and please subscribe to my channel.